thanks guys for see this. This is the multi-cab that we've been praying and asking you about. Here we are. We have people here inside. They are
We're agent of change.
yes.
Same
And
time.
thanks for believing on us. We already have an outreach on December 17 and 18, and that's what we're doing right now. Okay, I'm on my way to the New Life Church and talk to the pastor there because we have stuff to carry, to load this with goods that will be given to the tribes. Okay, I'm here in one of the pastor's house in the New Life Church, and they are requesting us to help them with all this. See, like I said, we already have things to do. This will go to the tribes. These are collected items, stuff, clothings. There's old shoes right here, roller skates. We have utensils, kitchenwares. We have beddings. We have books. And you can memorize here. Okay. Okay, that's Pastora Bibot. She's helping us. Okay, ato sa ning ikuan. Now, sila mga activists for the Lord. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Filling this up with stuff for so right there. It's halfway filled. I'm dreaming of bigger, a lot more than this to load up. So we're gonna bringing this to the tribes, and we wanna make sure that it's probably by December. So stick around, things are happening. This is the location of the storehouse. These things here, it's gonna go to that cabin there. So we're gonna start moving this out, bring it there. Cool. We'll go inside. Dropping by Pastor's house, Pastor Ramil, because he is contributing for the fuel and the
This is
street.
Pastor Ramil. He is a part of
We want
this
him to be a
activity.
part of what is happening and take ownership of it.
Okay, I'm in Cagayan de Oro with two of my boys here, and we are going to pick up stuff also from a town called Pupul.
Okay, this is full of t-shirts and other things. Here I am, moving on towards the goal. Okay, there's one bag right there. Okay. Okay, this is into use, right? Tayo. Okay, so what's gonna happen now is I'm gonna transport this, move this to the multi-cab. So stick around. Here are the things. There's still toys and other stuff that I'm going to pick up. So okay, so we have not a truckload yet, but almost. See, this is from one person. What can 5 person do and can give?
Okay, right now we're on our way to Malaybalay. We needed to do. We're able to get stopped. And here's my buddies right here.
Now we are loaded. Loaded with lots of things to give. Truckload.
Okay, tiha. Tunog na. Okay, so right now we really make use of the vehicle.
Okay, again, going to pick up or give a ride like few young people from the Bible study group, and we're going to drive them to the fellowship.
So here's
This is
here's the
Kuya
man.
Randy. Kuya Randy.
Hey girls, you look lovely today.
Sina, Prem?
Hey.
Jesse.
And Francis. You look good, Francis. Nice hair. Okay, nay bowling ball, no? So mag-bowling man ta dito. Asil the muscle man. Okay.
Muna siya gitaw.
Okay. Party party. Okay. Here are the gangs. The members of the human race. Proceed to the building. Ace. Okay, we're going to Balulang to pick up things also. By the way, we are in Cagayan de Oro. Okay.
Okay.
So we are in Balulang. Okay, this is one of the houses that will give us the used clothing and other things. Ani ana ang saman, sulod na mi.
Pwede na?
Okay. Okay, we're filling this up for December 18 or 17 and 18 outreach. Going to the mountains. These two guys, are you coming? So, uban mo?
Yeah.
Okay, so they're coming with us on the 17 and 18. Okay, another place. Right.
Tabang ko.
Yes, yung kasi ng patusa.